In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a subdomain in WP Engine, an essential skill for managing your online presence effectively. Whether you're a seasoned webmaster or a beginner, setting up a subdomain is often necessary when you want to create distinct sections of your website, such as a blog, shop, or support forum, while maintaining the overall structure under your primary domain. First, start by logging into your WP Engine dashboard. If you're not familiar with WP Engine, it's one of the leading managed WordPress hosting services, which simplifies many aspects of website management. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted with an intuitive dashboard, making navigation straightforward for both experts and newcomers alike. Next, identify the site environment where you want your subdomain to reside. WP Engine uses a system of environments, production, staging, and development, to help manage different versions of your site. Selecting the right environment is crucial, depending on the purpose of your subdomain. Are you looking to test new features in staging, or is your subdomain going directly into production? Make this decision based on your specific needs. After selecting the desired environment, head over to the domain section on your dashboard. Here, you'll see the option to add a new domain. Click on this and you'll be prompted to enter your new subdomain. For example, if your main domain is yourdomain.com, you might be adding blog yourdomain.com. Once you've typed in the desired subdomain, simply click Add Domain to proceed. Now it's time for a bit of technical configuration, which involves updating your DNS records at your domain registrar. If DNS sounds unfamiliar, don't worry. It stands for Domain Name System, and it essentially acts as the internet's phone book, translating human-friendly domain names into IP addresses that computers use to identify each other on the network. For this step, log into your domain registrar's dashboard and locate the DNS settings area. You'll need to add a sname record for your subdomain. A sname record is a type of DNS record that maps an alias name to a true or canonical domain name. In our case, you're pointing your new subdomain to your install.dupengine.com. Carefully follow the instructions provided by your registrar for adding this record and double check for any typos or errors, as DNS records are very particular. Finally, you'll need to wait for the changes to propagate. DNS propagation is the time it takes for the changes to update across the internet, and this can range anywhere from a few minutes to several hours. This is an important step, so be patient during this process. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully added a subdomain to your WP Engine site. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tips and tutorials on managing your web presence.